This is how you get turbo flutter on your K car. This works for most cars. This one here is a 2006 Mitsubishi Pajero Mini with the K car 0.66 litre engines. Now, it's very simple, right? All you need to do is need to find your intake, there's your intercooler, and then you've got your blow-off valve. Now mine's here, next to the intake. It should be somewhere around there. Now, depending on the vehicle, it's in a different place, but it's very, very simple about how you go about doing this. See, there's two lines going in to the blow-off valve. You've got one here, back here, right there. There we go, right there. And you got one right here. And one of these is a vacuum line, and the other one is a boost line coming out the turbo. Now, all you got to do is you got to take off the vacuum line, take off the boost line, and then swap them around. Right, so you just put whichever line comes from boost, you put that to where it goes to vacuum, then you take the line that's from vacuum and you put it to where it goes to boost. And then once you do that, that basically disables the blow-off valve entirely, and you have turbo flutter because there's no blow-off valve anymore. It's as simple as that. There you go.